for the others. So first of all, pattern is the reusable thing that all the developers can utilize in their own templates, own websites, the pages, to the blogs, to the posts, everywhere, right? So pattern is not a simple a section. It's like your idea, like what you want to provide. Just giving you an example. This is the CTA, right? So there can be a different designs on all the websites with the CTAs, right? So what we are going to do, we are providing them a predefined structure of the CTA. Like this is the one way where you can how you can use it, like create the CTAs, and you can utilize into the different themes or templates. But what is the purpose to create under the pattern? The main thing is like giving them the clear idea about the structure, like the clear structure. Just giving you an example, we are copying this pattern to the playground. So this is the page, I'm pasting it here. In this pattern you can see this is the structure that they have followed. They have covered everything in a single structure, right? And in the single structure there is a group they have created. Inside the group, the paragraph, spacer and button. And under the button there are options they have provided already. So this is the pretty simpler structure that they have provided, right? So this structure will affect at your performance as well. Like at the front end side, it will generate a one HTML thing. Exactly this way, and give you an rough idea. Right? Okay. So at the front end side, you can see this is the clear structure that they have provided. The main is the simple one, the main tag. Then after the div structure for the group, for the content, for the block cover. This is the cover that we have created. Under the cover, it's a simple like the main text is as a span, the image that we have provided as a background. This is the block cover. Block cover, it means like what we had covered under the section, right? And then after it's a paragraph, and the div structure for the button, and there's an anchor tag. So this is providing us an healthier and easy structure for the HTML at the front end side, and that helps our to improve this site performance as well. Because Google is crawling our website, and if there's an HTML structure issues, then there can be a chances of lowering your website as a rank. So this is the main idea about the pattern, that we are providing a clear structure, clear idea, and the reusable things for the developers. Okay. So after importing any of the pattern at the page, they can developer can modify as per them. Like if they want to modify the background image, it's easy to change the background image from here, replace from media. They can upload the more media, as well as there's an option to select the media from the actually we have a media library. It's not over here right now. Okay, so we can change and modify the media from here, as well as the background structure like shadows we can provide, highlights we can provide, and at the right hand side you can see there's some other options we have. Typography size and the padding. Currently it's a 4 viewing, and we want to modify it as a 5 or the 10, so we can modify it according to our design. So this is the group that has been created. Group has been created to combine everything in a single bucket, right? And in the bucket we have the button, the text, or the image, or anything that we want to place from the particular blocks. So Gutenberg is providing plenty of the blocks that almost sufficient for us to create any of the design that we have. If we want to add the library, we can add it from here. We can select any of the images, and it's here. Okay, so we had imported the pattern we reutilize it as per our design. Okay. So how to create the pattern? Sorry. So this is the dashboard of the pattern. It's under the extended and patterns. We have multiple patterns already predefined, and there's an option to check all the patterns. Just change it to the all. We have totally 2081 patterns currently available in the pattern library, and we want to create the new pattern. Just click on the new pattern. Currently the pattern editor is met. We are already working on that, like we had already raised this concern to the community, and it is going to be fixed. So for now, the pattern we are going to add it under the playground. Are you all aware about the playground, WordPress playground? Yes. So WordPress playground is the environment that is provided by the WordPress itself to modify the things, to create, to test any of the plugin, or to create any of the template or the pages that we want without any local setting. Like sandbox. Yes, sandbox. You can say. So here is the playground that we have. It's predefined website that they have provided, predefined structure. This is the backend. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are creating the page here. So when we are creating any of the page, you can see choose a pattern. So these are the predefined patterns that has been submitted as like we are going to create today. The contributor, to the contributor. So we are selecting any of the pattern. So it's here. I had nothing nothing do that much effort, so it's all the set for us. Like there's a gallery, there's an left align text, right align gallery. We can modify it as per our need. Like go to the navigation part, and this is the clear simple structure we have. I want a paragraph at the top, I want button at the top, I want this to be swapped, so I just have to change the column back, right? So this is all as per our need, as per our design. Right. We can also add our own sections into this one. Media, the image I want to add here, and it's here. If you will publish and view the page, it is available. Okay, so what we have to do, if we want to create any of the pattern, just go to the playground, create a simple page. You can copy any of the pattern that has been already created. There's an option to copy the pattern. I'm just copying it and pasting here. It is here available. We can modify it, and then after we have to copy it from here, go to the new pattern, just paste it here. It is going to be looks like messy just because the backend is not working perfectly. Click on the save as a draft. Yeah, it's the backend problem. Click as a save as a draft. Go to your patterns, my patterns, and here you can see in the draft it's showing up completely fine. So for now, if you want to create your own pattern, just follow the playground. Into the playground, just copy any of the pattern, modify it as per your need. Like just put your thoughts into that and paste it to the new pattern and just submit it. But before submit, save as a draft and check into the draft area, like it look like as you thought, as you created into the playground. Okay, and also you can utilize any of the blocks from here. So there's some guideline for that. First of all, do not use any of the third party plugin blocks. Do not use any of the custom blocks that you have created from the code side. Just because of like the pattern is clearly like built through the by default Gutenberg blocks itself. Okay. Second thing, the your structure should have to be clear. You can take a you can take a reference from any of the pre-approved blocks patterns, and you can reutilize those items from different patterns as well. You can create the just you can copy the 2 or 3 patterns. Just let me copy this one as well. Okay, so I want this button from here. Okay, so what I did, I had pasted it under the one of the pattern as a second, so it merged and it created a single pattern, right? And I can modify it as per my need. Like the button should have to be right aligned. Okay, these are my simple modifications, and I am copying this one, going to new pattern. It's that. Okay, so this is the pretty simpler thing, and the patterns are the reusable item, so we have to provide a pretty clear simpler structure, and as well as it should have to be like a more attractive design. Okay, so I think from my end this is all. Anything you need from my end, you can ask any of the place.
Yeah, yeah. So when I see the draft in here, it will be set as pending review.
Yes, no, it is not the pending review. It's a draft for me only.